Design Co. I'm gonna show you how to prep your furniture today. So if you're a beginner, you are in the right place. This is a step you have to take no matter what kind of paint you're using. So today we're gonna be using TSP, which is a really effective cleaner for getting the oil, grease, and grime off your furniture because paint's not gonna stick to that. So I picked this bag up at Menards. If you don't have a Menards, you can get it at Home Depot. It's about $10, I think, and I've had this forever. It lasts a really, really long time, so I'm gonna show you how to mix it up. So here I have a bottle of hot water from the sink, and this is just water, and we're gonna add the granule cleaner to this sprayer. And I'm gonna use a plastic soup spoon that I have. I'm gonna come up here so you can see. And I'm gonna add 2 heaping teaspoons to my cleaner. And it's important that it's hot because that is what dissolves it. I'm gonna add just a little more. So about 2 heaping spoonfuls. I couldn't get the heap on there because I had to pour it in. So about 2.5 spoonfuls. And I'm gonna stick this in and shake it up. So that's what I've found is about the perfect amount for making this cleaner. It's pretty strong, so this is gonna work really, really good. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna put this away until I'm totally done with my cleaner so you can see just how long this is gonna last you. I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on. It's important that you wear gloves because this cleaner is super strong and it will eat away at your skin. It doesn't feel too good. So once I have that on, and you can see I have a marble top up here, I have wood and I have metal, and I'm gonna clean all of this with TSP. Now the majority of the time you're probably gonna be cleaning wood, and you're just gonna clean it the same way. But this is a great piece to show prep on because I'm working with all different elements. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my piece. And I'm gonna get it really wet. And I like to let the water drip off. My next step is I'm gonna take a wet washcloth and I'm just gonna wipe the whole thing down. Now, as I'm wiping it down, I'm gonna scrub a little. You can also use like a green scrubby for a little bit of extra scrubbing power if you need it. But this piece is pretty smooth, so I don't think I need it. But I'm gonna use a white washcloth so that you can actually see the dirt that comes off. It doesn't matter how clean the house, the piece you purchased came out of, it all needs to be cleaned. In fact, the cleaner the house, usually the more you need to clean it because the pledge and the oils people use on wood is buildup on furniture that paint will not stick to. So this piece actually isn't too dirty, but you can see there's some dirt coming off. And I like to open my drawers and get the lips and the edges because those are all parts I'm gonna paint. And a lot of times while I'm cleaning too, like with this piece, I'm just gonna get the inside a wipe down as well, but I wanna make sure I dry it. I'm gonna grab a toothbrush. I'm gonna use a little toothbrush on all these details here. Okay, so this piece actually wasn't that dirty. As far as like my towel goes, sometimes they get really dirty, but you can see there was quite a bit of dust on it. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a clean rag and water, and I'm gonna just rinse all of the cleaner off of this piece. Then I'm gonna let it dry, and we'll be back for the scuff sand. So this is how I'm gonna rinse it. With the same bottle, don't get confused. This one is just water. But I'll also show you, I used about this much cleaner. And one of the tips I have for you is a lot of just spraying the cleaner on helps get it clean. Of course you wanna wipe and scrub over it, but especially on these things, a lot of times I'm just spraying it and letting it drip and letting that cleaner kind of get in there and activate and work its own magic. So now I'm just gonna rinse. And I'm gonna rinse it like I am rinsing shampoo out of my hair. I just wanna get all of the cleaner off. And I'm gonna take a new rag and just wipe right over it. All right, I'm gonna let this dry and then I will be back to show you how to do a scuff sand.